Hi, my name is Trevor Deering, a Product Marketing Director at Illumio. So what we're looking at here is the very top level view. So what we're looking at, what we can see are basically a number of processing centers. So we see California, we see New York, we see an AWS environment, we see Azure, Sydney, London. And what we can then do is to click down and look at each of the individual locations. So we look into California and we can see that there are actually 10 applications and various things, groups running, ranging from IoT devices through to point of sale and PCI type information. And so what we can actually do then is to look in a bit more depth at some of these environments. So if we were to potentially pick on one thing, which is a point of sale application, staging application, we can see that it exists here within this environment. Where we see red lines are basically where rules haven't been defined, so everything is blocked. And we can also see how it communicates with environments in other computing, other data centers. So what we see here is communication with Sydney, with London, and other processes within California. What we can basically do now is we can actually look down on the individual workloads. So we can see this individual workload here, POS, processing, MV. And we can see here that it's part of the point of sale staging group. Its role is processing. We can see the services it's using, the state of the policy, which is build, which means that rules have been created but not enforced. So you can actually use this for monitoring, and we can actually then dive down in a bit more detail into the workload.